My name is Lynette and I come from Uganda, East Africa, and right about now I'm in the countryside enjoying the fresh air, the beautiful rains, the nature and everything in between. So welcome to my channel. If it's your very first time, welcome. If you're the returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming and stopping by my channel.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love secure and free. You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down on our love that's known.
Guavas in season. We have lots of guavas.
On a love that's known.
I'm eating a guava.
A soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will never retreat. The stars above
So fresh.
shine down on our love.
He reigns with healings in his wings. Can someone tell this guava tree that I don't like it? You guys, my guys, you know what it does? When the guavas start to mature, rather than, like growing and ripening so good, they start rotting. They rotten by one side, and then that's it. Like, what the heck? What the heck? This guava tree, I don't like you. Better check up the way you're doing your stuff. And it has many guavas, you guys, but they get rotten, you know. Apparently, this is what happens. It rots. The guava rots. This one rotten. This one rotten. I'm gonna be discarding those. This one rotten. You know what I'm saying? But the advantage, even this one is rotten. But a good thing, birds also eat them, so they don't literally all go to waste. You see, like birds eat them, so they don't literally all go to waste. But this guava tree does not produce any fruit, like nice. So you see this one, it's still like maturing, but you see here, that's why it starts to rot, and then before you know it, it's all rotten. It's a beautiful day and it's raining. Oh, what a beautiful day. It's raining, you guys. Woo. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so we can be a big family. Go ahead and subscribe. I planted some spring onions and they are doing very good. Very good. Soon we'll be harvesting all these and adding them in our vegetables. Right here, I put a garlic which is not sprouting, but for the spring onions, they are doing so well. Very well, you guys, my guys. We give you all my worship, and now we give you all my praise. Let me first roast this beef a little bit before I cook it. See? This is charcoal. It's charcoal and we are roasting it. Ta la 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 la. Ta la 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 la.